Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's lesson, I want to show you guys how to make a candy cane Zentangle. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's lesson, we are going to be creating a Zentangle candy cane. Now, a Zentangle is a drawing that has lots of different designs in it. It's usually filled up with lots of different pictures and patterns, and they're filled up with shapes, lines, designs, all sorts of stuff. Now, I want to start off by making our candy cane. Now, to make our candy cane, we're going to start right here in the middle, and we're just going to make a hook shape. Now, I'm not going to make this gigantic. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller because this will be the inside of our candy cane. So we want to start here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to curve down. Now, I don't care what way your candy cane goes, it doesn't matter to me. You guys can make it however you want to. Next, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve over. And then right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to curve this line over. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a really big line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come down here to form our candy cane. I'm going to curve this around a little bit better. Next, right inside of here, I'm going to add some different little stripe sections. So I'm going to add some little curved lines all the way along here. Now you can have as many in here as you like, but you want to kind of keep them all about the same size. You don't want one that's really skinny or one that's really fat. You want to keep them all about the same, and they can be a little bit smaller once they get towards the ends. So pretty simple right there. That is how you make your simple candy cane. Now the next step though is we want to turn this into a Zentangle. Now, Zentangles are filled up with lots of different designs and patterns, and they don't always have to just be the same pattern in each one of these. So you can do lots of different things. You could add lots of little patterns in here, like I might add little wiggly lines in here, then I might switch them up and make zigzag lines go in the other direction. Things like this. I'm going to skip one, and then I'm going to come to the next one, and I'm going to add extra different little patterns and stuff in here. You can create these however you want to. It's all about just adding different designs and details in here, coming up with different ideas, and just being really creative with stuff. So you can do whatever you want to in here, just to be really creative and try some different things. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just fill up my candy cane with some different little designs. I'm going to skip every other one right now. Now, once you fill up one pattern of these, then I want you to come in here and fill up the other ones as well. Now our next step on this is to start coloring. Now you can use anything you want to color. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you want. I'm going to be using markers on here. Now when you color this, what you can do is you can choose two different colors for each one. Now I'm going to kind of keep these in a pattern. So for every other one, I'm going to do a red, yellow, and then a blue-green pattern. So it'll go red, yellow, blue, green, red, yellow, blue, green, red, yellow, blue, green, and so on, all the way around there. And this way it'll kind of keep that candy cane stripe effect going on. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and start coloring this. So here is my candy cane. You can see that I used 2 different colored patterns in each one of these and just repeated them over and over just to kind of fill it up and make it look really cool and interesting. So there you go. You guys can use any color patterns in here that you want to color this, but just make sure you're using 2 in every other one. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.